that look good to see, you know, because you know a couple people, you know, but we so busy around with dad and whatever, so, you know, one of them Sunday when you're not so busy, you go for your walk and Canal and you can, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, people, here we are again on our evening walk, and our evening walk named Full Circle. And we're going through the woods. Yeah, man. Yeah, we'll come and listen to these birds. We are sing out and make a lot of noise, guys. That we are talking about this evening. Birds of a feather, you know. Yeah, man. And the date is Thursday the 10th of June 2021. And the time is 24 minutes to 8 p.m. Yeah, and we are in England, United Kingdom, aka Slave Master Headquarters. Yeah, man, I see we are come through the woods, what a nice scenery, a nice view we have. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, and see the fence there, we still following. So we have some bike print, you know, dirt track. Yeah, man. Yeah, people. Yeah, man, certain people stepping on the street together. Junker and junker, them walk. Pissed and pissed, them walk together. Yeah, man. No cracked and cracked bar, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And weed man, bar. So when you say birds of a feather, flock together. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, a thief and thief par, you know. Yeah, man, a old bitch them par together. Yeah, man. Yeah. Such and such people. And such people. And them walk together, you know. Yeah, man, and police par. Yeah, man, and bad man par. Driving in the same car. Whoa, so a red light down there, sir. So a red light from all the way there, you know. So I'm going to bring it up and show you a piece of it. So a red light, oh yeah, down, so, you know. So I'm going to get the red light there. Okay, see it there now? I have it. The lock on for the red light there, see it? Yeah, man, I saw a red light down there, so I blink. Yeah, man, you see it? A red light there. Yeah, man, so far it there. I mean, I good. So far it there. So far it there. I watch it, I bring it up back, show you. Zoom it here. Yeah, man, I mean, I spot it. Oh, yeah, down there. So it look like the light on the train line. Yeah, man. Yes, it is. Yeah, man, you see that? Yeah, man, this is why we love these cameras. Yeah, man. Okay, so these are the building them. Back of the corner. Okay. Yeah, man, these are the building them I walk back around back of the canal. And I can hear some water, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, people, what a nice scenery. Going up there, man.
Used to like this on horseback.
Yeah.
Especially coming back up.
Yeah, man, big up Mother Bay. Yeah, man, and big up Black Crow. Yeah, man, seen Black Crow this evening. Yeah, man. And big up Investigation Celebrity, Decent Sister Rat. Yeah, man, and we are big up Kwame Brown. Kwame messaged me yesterday. Yeah, man. He sent me him WhatsApp number. Yeah, man, and big up Papa Duck. Yeah, man. And we are big up Alia from Liverpool. Yeah, and we want big up Bailey. Yeah, man, my little brethren from down on the Canal Bank. Yeah, man, decent little brother that. Yeah. Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, man. I want to big up all like nice and decent people. Them. We take the time out to watch our videos on YouTube. Yeah man, thank you for your love, thank you for your support, thank you for your understanding, and thank you for your patience. Yeah man. Yeah, I want to big up all of the people who subscribe to our YouTube channel. Much love man, much appreciated. Crazy love for that. Yeah man. Yes people. We there walk and we evening walk named Full Circle. And we'll find a nice little lady. We'll take her through the park today, you know. Yeah man, and I show her all them these roads where we never walked before. Yeah, she said when she did young she used to come down them side up on horseback because she used to ride a horse. She and her friend did have a horse when she much younger, was a young girl, you know. So she was telling me about these places, you know, because remember I don't born here. So I would know all these places, you understand? Yeah. Yeah man. So I have to thank her for carrying me through footpath and show me around, you know. Wow, all these little tracks and stick it. Yeah man. Nice. Lead me down into Never Never Land. Right down where the Pixies them come and parties. And play the Pixies playground. And Fairies, Pixies and Fairies playground. So we come right down now where we have a T-junction where we can either go down there so or we can go that way. Yeah, but we'll take this one, this side, save that side there for our next time. But we'll take this side and go down where we have the steps them. And that track of the bike man them and the dirt track man them. But this step are for the walkers them like me when not riding. Dirt bike track that. Okay, so we're going down to the train line. Yes. Yeah man. Right down on the train line. You see that people? My God. This is why the evening walk named Full Circle. Yeah man. See how them slab here represent. Them nice flat piece of slab right there, so they must represent something, you know. Okay. Wow. Yeah man, see we have step like this, so we're making a Jamaica use board and backs up a lot of people who have slippery footpath. Entry to them, walkway. Yeah man, we're keeping it near to the fence side. Come. Yeah. Yeah man, what a lovely walk. Yeah man. Huh? Hey, look what I come and find right here. Eh? The skeleton of a bike here, one bike skeleton, you know. One bike skeleton, this will come find right here, so. This is the bike where Nicolas Cage used to ride. Did I ride in a Ghost Rider, you know that? A skeleton. Yeah man. I had a picture them bike this, you know, when them ride. In a Ghost Rider style. Yeah, you see that? You see this? Paper. This is no joke. See the Pixies them bike here when them ride in a Ghost Rider style. The engine did it, the front rim. Yeah man. And so we come to entrance right there, so now you either go over there, continue with the footpath, or we go this way. Yeah man. So the train line there, right down there, so. Yeah man, we have foot it on. I could foot it on, we have foot it on. Yes people. No joke. We're there upon we evening walk, you know. Full circle style. Yeah man. I go through the woods. Yeah man. I hear them birds there sing. Check the time for you. 14 minutes to 8 p.m. Yeah man. Today Thursday the 10th of June 2021. And we are in England, United Kingdom, aka Slave Master Headquarters. Yeah. We are come down to. Yeah man. Right through. Right through, right through, right through, right through, right through, right up, right up.
Straight across.
On the chain line. See the chain line there? Come near to it. So we are stick. We probably soon see a train pass. So this is why when we hear the train, when we over upon the canal over upon that side, we hear the train and we can't see it. And if you listen carefully, probably hear the river too. That's listen there, I look, you know. Look up now, the woods them. I bring up my camera and shot it up there. Never know. I catch a fairy and wave to me. Or a pixie. I said, hey you mister! Hey mister, are you gonna get me famous? You gonna put me on your YouTube? So I can be famous. You never know. When you're coming through the woods in England, up these sides, where people say they've seen pixies and fairies and all sorts. You know, you never know what you might see. Train coming. Train coming. You can hear the noise on the rail. Train coming. Train coming. Hear it there? Yes! Yes. Yes. It know I'm here, that's why it blow. It say it was hailing me up saying, hey yo. Wow. See all of these different. If you don't carefully last in this woods, you know. But you can't last in England because it's one big circle. If you follow the road, it will lead you right back around to Aunt Merkel. Yeah, man. Yeah, let's lead you up this one truck and up this one. Yeah. If you look up on them chair more time, you know, because whosoever hide from you climb up the tree. Because if I expect you to look up. Yeah, you know, sir. People are walk with them head down in on them phone. Yeah, man. Nice little journey. Lead you right back round to. Never. Mother. The reason why them lock off these fences, yeah? Too much kids are come down here in the woods, walk off by themselves, go down here, go lie down on the train line and want to kill themselves. You understand? Yeah. When we are grew up in our time growing up, as kids we have better sense, you know, have better value for our life, you understand? And these kids nowadays, these kids have no respect for life. No respect. Eh? If you watch most of them videos, these young kids are what say, them a watch these drill artists where say them a rap artists where do drill music and what kind of music them want to call it, yeah? Some yellow something down there, you know. You see it? I have a yellow box or something. You see? Okay, it's a signal box. You understand? If you listen to most of these guys, them not have no father. And their mama alone grow them. And them get all that thing like YouTube. But they can stay in them house and make them own video. And them own, have them own beat and get for upload at same time. And make them own, shoot them own video with them phone in them house. And if you notice these youth them are glorify. Take them money and I buy gun and I put the gun in the video and I shoot off of one and I look how much of them now. Make all this money but them end up at prison. And how much of them dead, lose them life. Is that worth it? I make any sense? You get what I say to you? And they all follow each other. Because as we say, birds of a feather flock together. Yeah man. A stupid people and stupid people walk. Yeah man. How you manage? I'm not going to give you a piggyback. So this take it, so we catch on T junction, yeah. So that probably go out there, so that go up there, so and this take we back where we're coming from slightly. Yeah, so we'll go this side. Not sure. Yeah man. So when you check it out, birds of a feather them man. So I'm gonna dig out in the tree there. Yeah man, so I'm up on the higher ground now. I look down. Yeah. And I'm shouting out. All of them Yorkshire pixies. Hey mister! Hey mister! If he said, hey mister, why you don't want to put me on the video? God. Yeah man. So nice, quiet and lovely through the woods. You see that mother?
Yes, I spend hours down here.
Yeah man.
Never foot patch.
Yeah. Nice and quiet. Yeah. You listen to nature and the birds them, you know? Yeah. You know, you know. Alright. One more train coming now. Line up myself so we can. See? Yes. So when them reach right after them blow.
Yes, it's something they must have always done because further on where we've just been, that's where you could cross the line.
Okay.
Right.
No problem. So
we were boarded over properly. Yeah. You know what I mean? It sleep was going that way, so it was a footpath.
Yeah, so it look like we come the wrong way.
We can't cross it, Chris, now with that fence.
Mm.
So can't do it. But it used to be nice being able to walk across the river where Weir is as well. Used to walk across that all holding hands. So if one go, we all go.
Some blue, some there, right up betwixt them. You see that blue? You see? Bring it up on me. No, but yes, people. Yeah, man, just jump down in the comment section and leave your comment, man. Because I'm afraid that no comment, you know. Remember, you have the right to your own opinion. Yeah, man. You have the right to your own opinion. And you can like the video, you know, because it's not costing you anything to like. And you can also share it, because it's only free. Yeah, man. But do remember, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you subscribe at your own risk. Right. Much love, people. Thank you. Much love. We'll jump on back around this one.